Hello students. So tan 65 degree by cot 25 degree. Okay. So here we know that tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So either we will convert this tan 65 into cot theta or cot into tan. Okay. So we are converting tan here. So tan of 90 degree minus 25 degree by cot of 25 degree. Look at here, if I subtract 25 degree from 90 degree, we get 65 degree, isn't it? So then it is tan of 90 minus theta, that is cot theta, that is cot of 25 degree by cot of 25 degree. So it will be 1. Okay. Next is question number 6 of 1. Okay. Here it is tan of 35 degree by cot of 55 degree plus cot of 78 degree by tan of 12 degree. This equals to 2. We need to prove that. Okay. So how we will prove this? Let's see. So again, tan of 35. So this means tan of 90 degree minus 55 degree by cot 55 degree plus this cot, this is cot of 90 degree minus 12 degree by tan of 12 degree. Okay. 78 degree, this means 90 minus 12 is 78 and 90 minus 55 is 35. So now it is tan of 90 minus theta, this is cot theta, that means cot of 55 degree by cot of 55 degree plus cot of 90 minus theta, so that is tan theta. So tan of 12 degree by tan of 12 degree, so this is 1 plus 1 equals to 2, proved. Okay. Okay. Next question is question number 2 of 3. Okay. So the question is sec square 29 degree minus cot square 61 degree. This equals to 1. We need to prove that. Okay. So first of all, sec square 29 minus cot square 61 degree. So next is sec square. So here then sec square 29 degree. So that sec 29 degree whole square minus cot square 61 degree. Okay. Now sec 29 degree means sec of 90 minus 61 degree. Okay. Minus cot square 61 degree. 90 minus 61 is 29 degree. Okay. So sec 90 minus theta, that is cosec theta. So cosec 61 degree whole square minus cot square 61 degree. So this is equals, so this will be cosec square 61 degree minus cot square 61 degree. Okay. Now we know there is a formula that says that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Okay. So this equals to 1, proved. Understood? Next is 4, question number 1. Okay. Now before that we can also solve 6 of question. Before that we will solve this. Okay. So the question is cosec square 72 degree, cosec square 72 degree minus tan square 18 degree. Okay. Cosec square 72 degree minus tan square 18 degree. This equals to, we need to prove 1. Okay. So again, cosec square 72 degree, either, see here, if you look at the questions properly, here we need to apply the two formula, that is first of all, that complementary angle formula, that is either we will convert cosec theta into sec theta, this cosec theta into sec theta, or this tan theta into cot theta, so that we can apply the formula, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1, or sec square theta, if we convert cosec into sec, then it will be sec square theta minus tan square theta, then it will be 1. Okay, so you can see that first of all we will see how we will do that. So either this cosec theta we will convert cosec into sec theta, so that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, or if we convert this tan into cot, then it will be cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Among these two we need to apply any of them. So cosec square theta, cosec square 72 degree. Okay, we are converting here tan, so we will keep cosec square 72 degree as it is. Okay, then tan square theta. So tan square theta means here how we will do that. So first we will write tan 18 degree whole square, tan square 18 into this. Okay, so then cosec square 72 degree minus tan 18 degree. Tan 18 means tan of 90 degree minus 72 degree. Now 90 minus 70 means 18 degree. Okay, so cosec square 72 degree, again we are going to write, then minus tan of 90 minus theta, that means cot theta. So cot of 72 degree whole square equals to cosec square 72 degree minus cot square 72 degree. Okay, now there is a formula, that this formula we will apply, cosec square theta minus cot square theta 1. So here it will be 1. So proved. Okay, in this kind of math, two types of formula is used. First is the identity, and second first is a complementary angle. You need to think first of all, memorize this identical formula, trigonometric identity formula, so that you can do or apply the complementary angle formula accordingly. Okay, next is question number 4.1. Okay, 4.1, sine 32 degree cos 58 degree, sine 32 degree cos of 58 degree plus cos of 32 degree into sine of 58 degree. Cos sine 32 degree cos 58 degree plus cos 32 degree sine 58 degree. Okay, here for this, here what we want to do, that for this how we will going to solve this. Here we will first convert either of 1 into there. First of all, know that we know that there is a formula, that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, this we need to convert this into this formula. So here this, to bring here sine square theta, we need to convert cos 58 into sine of sine theta. Okay, and here sine into cos. So let's see. So it is sine of 32 degree, and again cos of here 90 minus 32 degree. Okay, 58, I divided 58 into 90 minus 32. Okay, then cos of 32 degree sine of 58 degree. So this sine I am writing like this, 90 minus 32 degree. Okay, so here it will be sine 32 degree. Now cos of 90 minus theta means cos of 32 degree here. Okay, so here cos of 32 degree, that is sine of 90 minus theta means sine of 90 minus theta, that means cos of 90, cos of theta. Okay, cos theta. So sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. So here it will be cos theta value is 32. So it will be cos of 32 degree. Now look at here carefully, sine 32 into cos 32. Sine 32, sorry, this will be sine theta. this will be sine theta. Cos of 90 minus theta means sine theta. So sine 32 into sine 32, that means sine square 32 degree plus cos 32 into cos 32, this means cos square 32 degree. Okay, so sine square 32 plus cos square 32, that means sine square theta plus cos square theta. Value is 1. Value is 1. Okay, this we need to prove, so it is proved. Okay, next is question number 4. Okay, question number 4, tan 15 degree into tan of 60 degree tan of 75 degree, this equals to root 3 we need to prove. So how we will prove? Let's see. To prove this, what we can do here is tan 15 degree tan, look at the questions properly, tan 15 into tan 17 into tan 60. Okay, now tell me, between these three angles, specific angles, tan 15, tan 60, tan 17, what angles value we know? Tan 60, that value we know from the table, isn't it? From the trigonometric table we came to know that tan 60, value of tan 60 is root 3, isn't it? And we need to prove this equals to root 3. So that means if anyhow we can prove that tan 15 into tan 75, tan 15 into tan 75 into equals to 1, then it's just a matter of time. Is done, isn't it? Because tan 60 is already root 3. So if it is root 3 is already there, then tan 15 into tan 75, we need to prove this 2 equals to 1. So first of all, make them a pair. So tan 15 into tan of 75 degree, make this a pair and separate tan 60 degree from this, because tan 60 is already root 3. We know that, isn't it? So tan of 15 degree, now tan of 75, means we can write this 75 in this way, the split 790 minus 15 degree. 90 minus 15 is 75 degree, isn't it? So we have written like that. This is tan 60 degree. So next what we will do, tan 15, tan of 90 minus theta, this means cot of 15 degree. Okay, so the tan 60 means root 3. So tan 15 into cot 15. Now we all know that cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta, isn't it? So we can write 1 by tan 15 degree, cot 15 degree, we are writing this way. So this will cancels. So this is equals to 1. That means 1 into root 3. This is equals to root 3. So it is proved. Okay. Next is this one. Okay. Here in the question it is given sine 72 degree, sine 72 degree plus cos of 18 degree. This into sine of 72 degree minus cos of 18 degree. Okay, this equals to 0, that we need to prove. So sine 72 plus cos 18 degree, sine 72 plus cos 18 degree. Okay, so if you look at here carefully, that sine 72 plus cos 18, sine 72 minus cos 18. Okay, that means a plus b into a minus b. So the formula is a square minus b square, isn't it? That is the basic formula we know. So here it will be then sine square 72 degree minus cos square 18 degree. So after that what we will do, either we will convert this cos into sine or this sine into cos. Okay, let's convert this sine into cos. So sine square, that means cos square 90, this will not cos square, this will be sine square 90 degree minus 18 degree. 72 we have split it up into 90 minus 18 and this is cos square 18 degree. Okay, So sine square 90 minus theta, that means cos square theta. So cos square 18 degree, value of theta is here 18 degree. So cos square 18 minus cos square 18 degree. So this is equals to 0, isn't it? This is equals to 0. That we need to prove. So it is proved here. Okay. Next is 7. Cosec 39 degree, cosec 39 degree, then cos of 51 degree plus tan 21 degree into cot 69 degree minus sec square 21 degree. This equals to 0, we need to prove. Okay. So how we will prove this? Similarly here, we will try to apply the formulas. We will try to apply the formulas. Okay. Sec square 21 is already there. We know that tan square theta minus sec square theta, tan square theta minus sec square theta is equal to minus 1. Okay. So to bring tan square theta, this cot 69 must be converted into tan. Okay. Let's try to do that. Cosec 39 degree, this cos can be converted into sine, isn't it? So cos of 90 degree minus 39 degree. Okay. 51, 90 minus 31 is 51. So this is tan. We need to convert this cot into tan. So tan 21 into cot of 90 degree minus 21 degree. Okay. Minus sec square 21 degree. So cosec 39 degree. This is then again sine 39 degree. Cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Here theta value is 39. So this is tan 21 degree, cot of 90 minus theta. So that means tan theta. So this is tan of 21 degree. Okay. Minus sec square 21 degree. So this, we all know that cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. So 1 by sine 39 degree into sine 39 degree plus of tan 21 into tan 21, that is tan square 21 degree minus sec square 21 degree. Okay. So this cancels each other. Then here tan square 21 minus sec square 21 value is minus 1. Okay. So value is minus 1. So 1 plus into minus, this is minus. So 0. Okay. So this is proved. Okay. Next question, question number 5, 1. Sine 72 degree plus cosec 72 degree. Okay. In this question, this is the value of theta. We need to write this value of theta within 0 to 45 degree. Okay. So to write that, obviously, if I convert this sine into cos and cosec into sec by applying the formula of complementary angle, then obviously it is will be in 0 to 45 degree. Let me show how. Sine of 90 degree minus 18 degree. Okay. Plus cosec of 90 degree minus 18 degree. So sine of 90 minus 18 means cos of 18 degree plus this is sec of 18 degree. Now this value of theta, that is 18, is between 0 and 45 degree. Okay. 0, understood this one. Next is question number 2. Cosec 66 degree plus tan of 66 degree. Okay. Here what will we do? again we cosec 90 minus theta, we will apply that formula. So this is cosec 90 minus, what will be 90 minus, how much we will write here, that cosec 90 minus 24 degree, okay, plus tan of 90 minus 24 degree. Now cosec of 90 minus theta, the formula is sec theta, that is sec 24 degree plus cot 24 degree. Okay, so value of theta is between 0 to 45 degree. So this is our answer. Okay, next question is question number 5 of 5. Okay, in the next question, this is cos 51 degree plus cot 49 degree minus sec 47 degree. Okay, so cos of 51 degree, this we can write cos of 90 degree minus 39 degree, okay, plus cot of 90 degree minus 41 degree minus sec of 90 degree 47, we are breaking 47 is what will we write, that 43 degree. Okay, so cos of 90 minus theta, that is sin theta, sin 39 plus cot of 90 minus theta, that means tan theta, so tan of 41 degree minus sec of 90 minus theta, that is cosec theta, so cosec of 43 degree, isn't it? So this is our answer. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, so today up to this, in the next video lesson we will learn something more. Till then, bye bye.